In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do Reversal Red in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to do Reversal Red as the strongest sorcerer. So all that you have to do once you join Cursed Arena is to go over to the characters and select the strongest sorcerer. As you can see, the fourth ability that they have is going to be Reversal Red. So to use Reversal Red, just choose it. So you will see this little highlight outline, and then you are ready to use. You can tap on the screen or click at any time, and you will see the animation go out. So this is what it looks like. Ignore the boss, this is just because I'm on a private server alone for a while, but as you saw, this is what Reversal Red does. You will be able to walk up to anyone, either a dummy or an actual player, and immediately upon clicking, you will do a lot of damage to the people around you with Reversal Red. So I'm going to do it again. As you can see, this is the cooldown, so once you use it, you just have to wait until it is back up again. Once it is ready, just walk up to anyone. I'm gonna stand in the middle to try to hit all of these dummies, and you will see that this is what it looks like. It pushes them back a lot, so be ready to dash so you can continue comboing them. And this is all you have to do. When you go over to your awakened form as the strongest sorcerer, you will have different moves, so keep all of that in mind. But whenever you want to use Reversal Red, you just have to play as the strongest sorcerer, and you will be able to get it done here. If you go over to your awakened form, your moves are going to change to Crimson Flare, Max Blue, Black Flash, Hollow Purple, and Domain Expansion. But if you want to use Reversal Red, this is all you have to do. Just walk up to someone here, press the fourth ability that you have, and once it is highlighted with this blue outline, you will be ready to use it. You will get a lot of awakening bar, so you will be able to awaken soon by doing more and more damage. And remember that Reversal Red knocks people back, so even though it can be a good area of attack move, you have to be aware that everyone is going to get pushed back. So for example, if I do it in the middle of these dummies, this one's going to go forward, this one to the right, and this one to the left. So if you are trying to combo someone, you have to be aware to the position where they fly to, and as long as you give chase, you will be able to kill them over and over again. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Reversal Red in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.